Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on NASDAQ. First, you'll need to understand the fundamentals of stock market investing. Then, open a brokerage account with a reputable firm that offers access to the NASDAQ exchange. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. This involves transferring money from your bank account so you have capital ready to invest. Next, dive into researching companies listed on the NASDAQ. Look for businesses that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. When you're ready to buy, you'll choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum price you're willing to pay. Always be aware of any trading fees. After purchasing stocks, it's crucial to monitor their performance regularly. Keep an eye on market news and company updates that could impact your holdings. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in various sectors to spread risk. Periodically, you might need to rebalance your investments to ensure they still align with your original strategy and financial goals. Finally, developing a clear long-term investment strategy is key for success. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Staying informed about broader economic trends and company news will help you make better choices. Remember, continuous learning is vital in the investing world. For more great resources and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.